Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to claim a 800 tax refund and quickly explain what a P800 means. A P800 is a letter from HMRC about the tax you paid in the last financial year. It will show either overpayment HMRC owes you money or underpayment that you owe HMRC. So this is helpful because it tells you exactly what happened and what to do next. If your P800 shows refund, an overpayment, your letter will say how you'll get it. Check, HMRC sends it by post and you deposit it into your bank. Online claim, you claim it on the UK government website for tax, overpayments, and underpayments. So here are the steps to claim online. Before you start, have your P800 reference number, your national insurance number, and then go to the tax, overpayments, underpayments page and click claim. Answer the do you have a UK bank or building society account. Select yes. Number 3, choose whether to sign in with government gateway or continue without signing in. Number 4, pick how you want the refund, bank transfer or check. Number 5, confirm your identity using the P800 reference, the NI number, and the date of birth, then continue to submit. If your P800 shows an underpayment, in most cases, HMRC adjusts your tax code and collects it automatically in the next financial year. So you usually don't pay it all at once. If you didn't get a P800, that is normal. HMRC only sends them in certain cases, like if you had 2 employers in one tax month or your tax code was wrong. And if you want to check your refund, you can also check and claim using the HMRC app. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you on the next video.